Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has identified Supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.75. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.34%. This equates to an average return of 0.28% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood for further increases within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.64% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 11.13% to positive 28.02%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 44.76%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 100% and negative 38.95% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $26.47. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Supermicrocomputer stock after gaining approximately 0.3470%. The Supermicrocomputer stock price increased by approximately 0.3470% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, rising from $43.21 to $43.36. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.94%, ranging from a low of $42.32 to a high of $43.99. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 10 million shares, with a total of 24 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.05 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices indicates divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $101.40, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price is 57.24%, or $58.04, below the 52-week high, and 64.72%, or $79.54, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicrocomputer, trading under the ticker SMCI, is gaining attention today due to several significant developments affecting its market positioning. The company's stock is currently perceived as undervalued, as analysts believe the market's pessimistic outlook is not justified. This sentiment is supported by strong financial fundamentals, including a robust cash position and positive free cash flow, which enable SMCI to pursue aggressive growth strategies, particularly in artificial intelligence. On the product front, SMCI has recently launched an optimized portfolio of artificial intelligence solutions utilizing AMD's latest GPU technology. These advancements aim to enhance performance and efficiency for AI training applications, positioning the company favorably within the rapidly expanding AI sector. Furthermore, the introduction of a comprehensive enterprise AI solution for NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture indicates that SMCI is not only addressing current demands, but is also preparing for future technological transitions. This proactive approach can significantly strengthen its competitive edge in the AI market, particularly in Europe. Additionally, a strategic collaboration with Ericsson highlights its commitment to enhancing edge AI systems, which is critical as demand for such technologies continues to rise. Recent stock performance has reflected this momentum, with SMCI experiencing a marked increase of approximately 35% over the past month. In the short term, These developments may boost investor sentiment and potentially drive the stock price higher as market validations occur. Looking ahead, SMCI's focus on innovation and strategic partnerships positions it well to capitalize on artificial intelligence trends, possibly leading to sustained growth and a stronger market valuation. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, KGI Securities assigned SMCI a neutral rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Citigroup designated SMCI with a neutral rating and an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, Goldman Sachs rated SMCI as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to the stock of Super Microcomputer. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given this stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Super Microcomputer. Today, the stock is displaying mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 6.05%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence or MACD. However, the Super Microcomputer stock holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. There is also a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, some support will be found at levels around $42.72 and $39.19. A breakdown below any of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Interestingly, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 19 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Super Microcomputer. Super Microcomputer finds support from accumulated volume at $41.72. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.67 between its high and low, which represents a change of 3.94%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.44%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Super Microcomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 440 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Super Microcomputer. In case of an upward trend, a first resistance level for Super Microcomputer is at $43.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $41.72. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, David E. Wygand conducted an insider sale of 67,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Wally Liao Yishine conducted an insider sale of 177,600 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Charles Liang conducted an insider sale of 184,694 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Charles Liang conducted another insider sale of 15,306 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Sarah Liao Liang Chuchu conducted an insider sale of 184,694 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 75.509. Overall, insiders purchased 8,134,875 shares and sold 979,757 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $41.80, reflecting a decrease of 3.60%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 18 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may provide a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Supermicrocomputer stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and price movement from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, June 13th, we anticipate that Supermicrocomputer will open lower by approximately 14 cents and start trading at $43.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.